Alright. So these are the next four that we're going to be looking at. Number 49 says given L to the third, M to the fifth, N to the second, divided by L, which I'll put to the first, M to the third, N to the first, and we're going to write it as a fraction there. L to the third, M to the fifth, N to the second, over L to the first, N to the third, N to the first. So that's the first thing we do, write it as a fraction. Then we're going to apply the law of division. So L to the 3 minus 1, M to the 5 minus 3, and N to the 2 minus 1. So that's the law of division, which will give us L to the second, M to the second, N to the first. And that is the result. So the result is L to the second, M to the second, N. Any questions there? That is probably the longest one from this section. Yes? So no questions. All right. The second one is number 64. It says given p to the fifth, q to the second raised to the sixth. That will be equal to p to the 5 times 6, q to the 2 times 6, and that's law of power to power. Yeah. Power to power, so that's going to be p to the 6 times 5 is 30, q to the 2 times 6 is 12. So therefore the result is p to the 30th, q to the 12th. Any questions there? Any questions there, guys? No questions? All right. There are no questions. Let's look at number 70. And number 70 says 5L to the fourth over 7 M to the third all squared. The first thing I'm going to do is I need to put the power of 1 to the 5 and to the 7. And then I'll apply power to power. So 5 to the 1 times 2. L to the 4 times 2, 7 to the 1 times 2, and M to the 3 times 2. And that is power to power, which is going to give me 5 to the second, L to the 8, 7 to the second, M to the 6. Now, if you want to be fancy about it, you can square it. 5 squared is 25, L to the 8, 7 squared is 49, M to the 6, and then that is your result. Right, I don't want to write any lower than that because you might not be able to see it after that. So those are 3 out of the 4 that we chose to do. Alright, the last one, fourth one from this section says given 1 over 10 to the fifth. We're going to use the law of negative index. So that's going to be 10 to the negative 5. And that's the answer here. Therefore, the result is 10 to the negative That's that. All right. Let me give you a minute or two to write that out, and then we